In this video, we'll do a daily Solana update to start off with, and then we will also talk about Solana, whether it's possible to get some sort of a bullish breakout, which you can see in a very tiny way on the screen, but don't worry, we'll zoom in. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. So first of all, hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all having a great start of this weekend, and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome if you're new. I have been covering Solana quite a lot after it's fallen, after FTX. I think it's interesting, I think it's valuable. So that's what I'll be doing as well right now. Usually I kind of start with the fundamentals. Fundamentals for Solana are overall still very bad, right? But we are recovering. And the longer the whole FTX saga and drama is behind us, the better. And maybe in the long term, we can also have some positive effects by it. I mean, obviously FTX and Alameda sold a lot of Solana, which means that the entire distribution of Solana is more decentralized. And yeah, more distributed in general. It's quite a bullish thing, I would say. But the DeFi ecosystem still took a massive hit, so that's going to be hard to recover from. But yeah, Solana is recovering a little bit, as you can see. And apart from that, economic fundamentals are pretty good as well. So I'm actually fairly bullish on Solana, and I think we are going to get a bullish breakout, which is a risky thing to say. But I'll explain it a little bit more in a moment. If we take a look at some other statistics for Solana, what you can see is that the volume is dropping down. It's now at around 6% of the market cap, which obviously with a lower market cap than we've been in a long time. It's not a lot, but it's weekend as well. Volume is always lowest on the Saturday, and it doesn't mean that much. It's just that probably the price is going to move a little bit less. So what I expect for Solana, I can be very short about it, but I do want to give some more context to what's happening. So obviously we broke out of this downtrend right there. We're on the 1 hour time frame. I would prefer to analyze on the 4 hour, but it's we have a little bit more validity right now on the 1 hour time frame for Solana. And what you can see is that we went all the way up to $14.75 as a resistance level. What we then did, which is the most bullish thing we could have done, is we dropped, but we actually managed to hold $14, which is one of the resistance levels we broke through. But it's fairly high. Like for example, if we would have dropped down all the way to 13.5, there was no chance of getting another bullish breakout and recovering even more. Because right now what we're looking at is breaking above this level here at 14.75 and getting up towards like 15, 15.5, maybe even 16, depending on the market circumstances. And that is what I am expecting. I'm not expecting a lot of price movements today, but like at the end of yesterday, at the end of tomorrow, or kind of the beginning of Monday, I do think as long as we're able to stay on top of $14, because there could be any fundamental event. If that happens, yeah, then fundamentals are stronger than technicals. That will break down below $14 and drop down to like 13.5, 13.4. That's something you should know. But if the market stabilizes and we're just stable, nothing happens, at least not in the fundamental news kind of way, I do think that Solana will start to break 14.75, and I think we'll break above that and get up to 15.5, that level. I think $16 is only possible if like Bitcoin breaks above 17,000 as well. Sure, then it's possible. Sure, we could even get higher then, but that's not something I'm expecting that soon. So I cannot add that in the analysis. But that's my take on Solana this morning. If you do have any questions or if you have anything to say about it, as always, do so in the comments. But for now, I want to wish you all a great weekend. Take care and bye.